Hey guys, what's up, what's up? This is a mouse cursor controlled 100 auto cannon. Like my laser and series, this is a deadly weapon for PvP. Yes, this is powerful, but with 100 cannons, there will be some problem.
NANI?!
Like this one, as you can see, sometimes you lose control of it. So what I do is I jump out of the cannon, then go back again to regain control. But once in control, this is very deadly. Don't worry guys, I have a solution for this. Later you will see. Boom! And of course, this comes with a weakness. It's kinda slow to attack against drones and aircraft. And it is sitting duck just in one place. So it's an easy target for flying machines. My mouse cursor controlled auto minigun is more suitable for anti-aircraft defense. But with slow targets like tanks, this is killer! And look at this guys, another thing, in my battle against Future Thing, he hits me with his cannons! And look what happened! It crashed the server guys! And I can't even rejoin this server! I asked them to, and yes, it really crashed the server!
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But again guys, there's a solution for this. And I will teach you that. Because when used properly, this is an ultimate weapon. So guys, let's do this! Place big cannon, place hinge like this, place block here, place cannon like this, place delay on top, bind the delay with the cannon. I usually clone cannons with scale 4. So clone them. You can clone them to 100 guys if you want. Or maybe 30 just like from my tutorial of auto cannon. Or here like me, I use 50 for a while. So this is first delay. Bind this to this. And this delay to this. And this to this. It should be like this guys. You see the pattern of the connecting broken lines, right? So it should be like this. Then this last delay, bind it to the first delay. Then play switch, unbind switch, then bind switch with the first delay. Now uncheck aim for all cannons, and with 50 cannons, set the delay to 0.2. If you are using 100 cannons, set it to 0.1. Now merge all the cannons, but guys, too much merging causes lag, and with 100 cannons, this may crash the server. So with 50, it's okay. Oh, by the way, make sure the delay is attached properly. So I use block to hold it. And yes, make them transparent and turn off collision. Except for the hinge. Do not turn off collision. Put it in the position anywhere you want. And yes, here as you can see, I divided the cannons into two. With this, the merged cannons will be less. So less lag and less chance of crashing the server. You can do it with more sets guys, it's safer. For example, if you have 50, you can divide it to 5. So 10 cannons each sets. And here in my case, this is now 100 cannons. I simply cloned my 50 cannon set. So this is 2 sets of auto cannons guys. And this is the result. Powerful mouse-controlled auto cannon, yeah! It's smoking here! Oh my goodness! This is the first victim, guys! Sorry! And again, weakness of these flying machines! Develop some techniques for sure to defend against these machines. And again, my mouse-controlled auto minigun is really the one suitable for anti-aircraft and drones. But with tanks and other slower targets, yeah! This is awesome! And even with 100 cannons, I don't have problem in controlling this anymore. so far, I don't experience server crashing again. So guys, I hope you learned something. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye! Yeehaw!